by hearing people discussing Shoucheng, I'll be able to understand his secret, how he managed to do so much in the same 24 hours per day that we all have. And so my conclusion is, well, actually, he was doing at least twice more than I thought he was doing. So, and what was great, actually, I think that his style, the way he taught many of us, was still clear in all the presentations, that people going after great and inspiring ideas, not getting bogged down in minutiae, and really being open. So it feels a bit sad to close this meeting, but I think we all benefited a lot. And before we conclude, I think it would only be fair if we acknowledge everybody who made this great meeting possible. So maybe I'll ask Shoucheng to help me so that we can acknowledge all the great contributions to this meeting.
I even have a slide. This one, right? Can I use the mic? I will just use that one. Okay, so just like, I think that's my slide. Okay, just like the end of a great movie, the most important part, closing credits. First, I would like to thank all of you, all wonderful speakers, and all the invited guests coming from far away, and all the participants, and for all the very nice discussions and all the new things we learned. And I would like to thank my co-organizers, Eugene and Steve Kivelson and Biao Lian, Chaoxing Liu. And okay, so now, okay, now the real part, the most important part of the acknowledgement is our wonderful staff team, without whom the co-conference won't be possible. It won't be possibly so successful. So so the most special thanks goes to Noelle Rudolph, who lead the whole team and then works day and night and go out of her way and really did everything to make sure all the parts are taken care of. So let's give her a well, applause. And please, Noelle, please come to the front. And we have a small gift for Noelle, and it's there. Thank you. And I would also like to thank our student postdoc volunteers who has done a lot of the work, and the team was led by Thomas Buzdusek. It's a pity that he's not here today. So please, all the volunteers and all the staff members, and yeah, please come to the front, and yeah, and also the wonderful team from the Bechtel Conference Center, and especially Roger Winkelmann. He did the amazing job of making all the switch, all the transitions are also smooth, and also Debbie Warren. Okay, so are all the staff members here? Noelle, can you come here? Yeah, we can. Yeah. Okay, thanks so much. That's okay. Good. We have a photo here. So thank you. Thank you very much for all of you. Great. Thanks. Thank you. And a special, in the end, a special thanks goes to the wonderful family members of Shoucheng, Barbara, Stephanie, Brian, and Ruth. And I want to thank you for sharing all the experience and all the stories, all the precious photos and notes of Shoucheng, and being with us during the whole activity. And also, I feel like, I mean, yeah, okay, I want to say we are always here to support you and be together with you. And whenever I know this is still a very difficult time. On the other hand, we also thank you very much for your support, and it makes all of us feel stronger. So thanks. And I would end by saying, may Shoucheng rest in peace. Robert,